So, you're interested in flirting with younger women? Let's get started. 1. Be playful. First things first, let's talk about being playful. Younger women often respond well to a bit of lighthearted teasing and fun banter. Think back to when you were in school, and teasing was a sign of interest. That still holds true. Playfully joke about something she says, or gently tease her about a quirky habit she mentioned. The goal is to show your fun side without coming off as immature. For example, if she mentions she loves a certain band, you could say, "Oh, I thought I was the only one who still listened to them." Keep it light and ensure she's laughing along with you. 2. Compliment her style. Noticing and commenting positively on her fashion choices is a great way to show you're paying attention. Younger women often put effort into their appearance, so acknowledging that can go a long way. Say something like, "That jacket is really cool. Where did you get it?" Or, "I love how you put your outfit together. It's really unique." These compliments show that you appreciate her sense of style and individuality. Just make sure your compliments are genuine and specific to her choices, rather than generic comments. Finding and discussing shared interests is key. It shows that you have something in common and can build a deeper connection. Ask about her hobbies, favorite music, or the shows she's binge-watching. When you find something you both enjoy, dive into it. For example, if you both love hiking, talk about your favorite trails, and maybe even suggest planning a hike together. This not only gives you more to talk about, but also sets the stage for future interactions. 4. Be confident. Confidence is attractive at any age. Show self-assuredness in your approach by maintaining eye contact, speaking clearly, and not being afraid to make the first move. Confidence doesn't mean being cocky or overbearing. It's about showing that you're comfortable in your own skin. For instance, approach her with a friendly smile and introduce yourself confidently. If you're at a social event, initiate a conversation with a strong opener like, "Hi, I'm Dan, and I couldn't help but notice your great smile from across the room." 5. Use humor. Humor is a fantastic icebreaker. Lighthearted jokes and playful banter can make her feel comfortable and relaxed. Don't be afraid to laugh at yourself too. Self-deprecating humor can show that you don't take yourself too seriously. For example, if you spill a drink, you could say, "Well, I guess that's one way to make an impression." Keep your jokes appropriate and avoid anything that could be misinterpreted or offensive. The goal is to make her laugh and create a fun, easygoing atmosphere. If you're enjoying the content and looking to transform your dating life, don't just watch, act. Our free strategy call offers personalized tips on meeting more women and dating with confidence. Find out more by clicking the link in the pinned comment. 6. Compliment her sincerely. Sincere compliments are always appreciated. Focus on her qualities and achievements rather than just her looks. Say something like, "You're really passionate about your work. That's inspiring." Or, "You have such a positive energy, it's contagious." These kinds of compliments show that you see her as more than just a pretty face. They also open up the conversation to deeper topics, allowing you to learn more about her aspirations and interests. 7. Listen attentively. Listening actively shows that you value her thoughts and opinions. When she's talking, make eye contact, nod, and respond thoughtfully to what she says. Ask follow-up questions to show that you're genuinely interested. For example, if she's telling a story about her recent trip, you could ask, "What was your favorite part of the trip?" Or, "Did you try any interesting food while you were there?" Active listening not only makes her feel heard, but also helps you connect on a deeper level. And there you have it, guys. So what's next for you? Discover traits younger women love, or learn how to tell if you're attractive. Thanks for watching.